Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this Kia Picanto and Nicky is going to tell you a bit more about this car.
Hello guys and welcome to Them Fast. This is 2012 Kia Picanto. It has the 1 liter 3-cylinder engine with 69 brake horsepower. And right now we are going to take this car for a POV, but let's take a little trip around the car. So here we have a dual exhaust, which actually looks pretty cool. We have some black optics around the car with very nice hood caps. And here at the front we have a very sporty red design on the car. And right now Robin is going to take you for a POV drive.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so one of the most popular cars in Europe and I think all across the globe. So this is the Kia Picanto 2012 and is one of the most sold Kias ever. And right now we're going to figure out why that is the case. So this car has 69 brake horsepower, a 1 liter engine, no turbos whatsoever. It's a manual, which is nice. The car already did some kilometers. It did 166,000 kilometers, so quite a lot for such a small car. 0 to 100 is around 14 seconds, and the top speed, well, maybe we'll figure out.
No, I don't think we will figure it out.
Oh, actually I see why this car is so popular. It only weighs 815 kilos, which means that you don't pay a lot of taxes for it. And the average fuel consumption is 4.2 liters per 100 kilometers. And of course that is nothing. So that's really nice. In terms of the interior, everything feels pretty sturdy. The quality is okay, and here we have a central radio system, which looks pretty nice. And this is actually a electric. Oh wait,
Phone holder.
yeah, it's an electric phone holder. Oh wait,
when it charges, it has to close. Yeah, there
it works. Pretty nice.
Here we have your normal climate control, like the ventilation and the air conditioning in this car is pretty good.
Does the air conditioning work?
Yeah, it's very cold now. Yeah, it does work. It does
Oh
work.
my god. The air conditioning, oh, it's so cold right here.
Oh, it's already pretty busy. It's a Friday, afternoon, so yeah, we are in the Netherlands and it's quite busy on the road, but it's okay. We're gonna turn and make some cool shots from the outside and let you see what the car will look like from the outside. Use all these 69 horsepower.
Hear that? time to time.
Here we go. Steering wheel doesn't come back very quick when you turn, so that's a little bit getting used to it. Getting used to. And also an interesting thing, the third gear is kind of or quite long, so you can't really go in corners in the third gear. You have to change gears to the second gear, otherwise it won't drive very pleasant. So now we're gonna pick up Nikki.
Okay.
Okay.
0 to 100. Yeah. Aber was ist Vollgas?
Nee, it wasn't full throttle, but I did half throttle, so you get a little impression of
The immense power.
the immense power. Now you can definitely feel that it doesn't have a turbo. Was it a 1.0, the other Kia Picanto we tested?
Oh yeah, we actually, so yeah. Okay guys, so check out the description right here. So we actually made another video of a Kia Picanto. That was the GT line version with a 1 liter turbocharged engine, and it was actually really quick.
Yeah.
It is 0 to 100 in around 8 seconds. It had more than 100 brake horsepower and I think 200 Nm of torque, which is quite a lot for such a small car. So check out that video as well. It's actually really nice, and it's one of the most viewed videos of all.
Yeah. Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference in power. Yeah, this is a really cool thing that it clips when you when it charges. Yeah, further the interior is kind of basic, but it has everything you need, so that's really nice. The dashboard, how do you call this?
The instrument.
Oh yeah, the instrument cluster.
Or the gauges.
The gauges and the instrument cluster is
or the
also,
kilometer tellers.
Very clean. You don't see anything you don't need to see, or you don't need. We have to drive 30, but it's in miles per hour.
30,000.
Yeah, it's also.
Ja. Zeg dat maar eens.
Yeah.
Friday's Day.
Yeah, so it's an.
It's the National Day of Freedom.
Yeah, in Holland. So that's why all the flags are out, and this cool army truck is on the road. It also has a start-stop system. If you turn off the ignition or turn on the ignition, you have a start-stop system. It's very intuitive. And
oh, that's a nice paint job.
That's a very nice paint job. Oh, here we go.
Zit je aan het toeteren?
Nee, no. They weren't beeping, warning.
Beeping, warning.
So everybody, thanks for watching to this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think of this car, or do you have this car, or do you want to buy this car? It's definitely a car to buy. It's a good car. It's a fun car and a practical small car. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, subscribe to the channel and
YouTube channel.
Yeah, right here. So, and if you are Dutch for now and you like podcasts, you can listen to the Damfest podcast on all podcast platforms, including Spotify. So the link is down below, or it's in the comments, or it's in the description. So check that out as well. And with that being said, thanks for watching.
See you guys in the next video.
Ciao.